Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota Rav4, and we're going to go over how you would adjust your e-brake. Say you pull your e-brake up and you feel like it's going too high because your brakes have worn a little bit, but you still have lots of life on your brakes, or this cable can stretch some, but you still have some adjustment right here to be able to adjust it to where you would like it to be. So to get to this portion, you're going to take this cover that's right here, this cover here, and you just got to work it around and pop it all up. You also need to open this cover so that you can pull this and remove it, and then we push and put this out of the way. And we also have pulled this up. Now you see that the e-brake is set right there. So if we want to do an adjustment on it, we're gonna put it in the full relaxed motion, and then we're going to take one wrench down here to hold that nut, and then I've got a deep socket, or you could use two wrenches, but we want to just catch that on the top, and we loosen that, and that way, because these two nuts tighten to itself, and now you can tighten the bottom nut a little bit, and then you can test it. See, that's a little bit lower, and so that's perfect. Get it to your liking, your setting, and then once it's there, then you're going to hold the bottom nut again, and you're going to tighten that top one. And that way it will stay there and it's not going to move on you down the road and then all of a sudden become looser. So then when you've done that and you're done with anything you need, then you would just go through the process of putting this cover all back on. And this is the same process you would do if you removed the airbag sensor in here, or control module, because you need to get it repaired. Once you're done with that, you need to put it back in. So then you'll just need to put this cover on. Line the holes up, and the hole here for the shifter knob, and we'll have to spin that shifter knob on. And once that's all lined up, then you just press it all back down into place, locking all of the push pin clips that hold it in. And same thing with this one. You may want to pull the boot cover around your e-brake up a little bit so that it's not stuffed down in there. Line it up. Snap that into place. Perfect. And then the last thing here is you'll want to put your gear selector knob on and just spin it down and get it tight there for you. And so that's how you would adjust your e-brake and be able to put this cover back on if you had to remove it for anything inside there. Oops. Gotta pop it back off. There is an electrical connector that needs to be connected, so make sure you connect that before you put it all back together. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.